Hey my LimbO Line. So I am back with another video for you guys, and I am so excited because this video today is an unboxing video of me unboxing my ring light. I finally have my ring light. They got it for me, of course, and I am so excited about it, y'all. Okay. So y'all, as y'all see, I'm looking at all the different things that's on this thing, trying to figure it out because, you know, I lost the instructions, but we're not going to talk about it. So I am figuring out how to do it on my own, which is what I am doing. Okay. So we are going to start putting this together now, y'all. I'm just so excited about this ring light. So here we go. Okay, y'all, so as y'all see, I figured out the first part, and now I'm opening up the other parts that go to this ring light as well. So it actually has a little thing that I can put my phone or camera on so that when I'm recording and everything, it can easily pick it up, and you know, you can easily put it on there and I don't have to hold it or none of that stuff. And it also came with the rotator that you just saw. It also came with the rotator that you guys just saw, and also the remote that I dropped, but y'all saw it. Okay, so yeah, it came with all those things. So instead of me having to get up and everything all the time, like, it has the thing where I can stop it and I can start the video, stop the video, all that good stuff. So I am so excited about that. But the part that I am extremely excited about is what you guys see now, the actual ring light itself. So I am so excited, y'all. All right. Okay, y'all, so as I'm figuring this stuff out, the rotator goes on the bottom of the ring light actually. That way that helps me as far as like being able to bend it over or bend it forward or backwards, or however I need to rotate the ring light. So that's what that's supposed to be helping me with. Okay, and it's also on the top part. That's where I'm supposed to put the phone holder, phone or camera holder, so that I can be able to put that on there as well. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now, y'all. Okay, you guys, so I finally have the whole thing put together. I'm so excited. And this is where I figured out that the rotator object that I had is actually to help me be able to bend it backwards, bend it forward, so that I can have it however I need to. So now it is time for me to test out this light. And whoa, it is bright. But it has different modes that you could put it on, which is super, super cool. So that's what I'm kind of checking out now. And then eventually I'm going to see which mode or which mood or which whatever you want to call it is best for me with how I want it to look while I'm recording. So that's what we're doing now, you guys. So let's go ahead and get this done. All right, I'm excited about my first video with this and everything. So that's why I'm trying to get it done. Okay, so let's see how it works, y'all. LimbO Line, so as y'all can see, this ring light, y'all, like, it really has me like popping over here. So I'm really feeling this ring light, y'all, so much. Like, I'm really feeling it. It's really giving me that glow. I got different ones. As y'all saw, I had to pick which one I wanted because it has like the cool, warm, all those different ones. So I had to figure out which one I like. So I found the one that I liked. And this is what we are working with, you guys. So shouts out to Bae for getting this for me. I really like it. So now we can do away with the old and in with the new, okay? So now this can be used for its actual purpose, which is for my paintings and drawings, okay? But it was good for what I needed it for, okay? It worked for what I needed it for. But now I have the real deal, okay? That makes me feel official. Makes me feel real official, y'all. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and cut this video short because I actually have a pregnancy and delivery video to deliver to you guys today that I'm actually about to start recording so that I can have it uploaded for you guys. So that is actually what I'm about to be doing. But since I was going to do the pregnancy and delivery video, I was like, why not go ahead and do an unboxing of my ring light, because I decided that I was going to finally use it today. So here we are, you guys. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to make sure that I put information for the ring light down below so that you guys can know about how much it is and everything like that. But I am loving this one, y'all. Like, it fits me like it's the perfect size. It just fits me, okay? So yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and get that started for you guys because I'm so excited about this pregnancy and delivery video that I'm about to do for you guys, okay? So we're about to go ahead and get that started. All right, y'all? So before we end this video, so when you see this shirt twice, you know why. So don't give me nothing. Don't give me no lip, okay? Don't give me no lip. Anyway, y'all, I will see you guys in the next video, and I can't wait. So as always, y'all stay blessed. Bye.